babe, Oh, babe, this is lovely. Oh, you've cooked me a meal, you've got the music playing, the candles are lit. Oh, this is... What have you done? What? You've clearly done something. You never do this for me. I wanted to treat you. Am I allowed to treat my girlfriend? You know, I wanted to cook you a meal. You know, it's been a long week. Is it a crime? It's a crime. So punish the boyfriend. Punish him for his crimes that he's committed. Ronan. I may have accidentally crashed your car. There's £1,000 of damages to pay. Shall we tuck in?